The heavens play a significant role in my process of fusion with my Creator. Their unanswered questions of immensity and my subsequent smallness make me let down my guard and whisper, "I am here," to the designer. Even in my childhood, as I watched the northern lights dance upon the Wisconsin sky, I could hear the soft voice calling me, "David, I know who you are." To deny this intrinsic design and beauty in the galaxies, let alone the voice written upon my soul, is the single greatest tragedy of mankind. It's difficult to consider one characteristic or attribute of God without bumping into several others. If God is immense with unlimited capacity for greatness, then He must also be eternal. And if He's eternal, He's unbound by anything. And if He is unbound, He has to be sovereign, and so on. The creation process is used by our Creator to give us glimpses of His makeup, His priorities, and even parts of His personality. For since the creation of the world, His invisible attributes, His eternal power, and His divine nature have been clearly seen, being understood through what has been made, so that we are without excuse. When I consider arguments for atheism, I'm struck by the evolution of basic questions about belief during my lifetime. It's apparent, at least to me, that "I just can't believe" has been replaced by "I will not believe," because knowledge culled from recent science pushes us to the brink of design and designer. Modern scientific discovery and astronomy have put a real damper on the comfortable theories of Darwinian philosophers of the 20th century. In this incredible age of expanding knowledge, we're once again finding the fingerprint of the designer in the most inconvenient places, for those who choose to disbelieve or remain ignorant. How desperately we need non-polarizing discussion about these issues. Here are just a few things to ponder. The uncaused emerging of something out of nothing has never been scientifically observed. The universe is expanding, and we are forced to deal with the issue of causality. There are 100 billion stars or suns in our galaxy alone. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is 588 with 16 zeros miles or 100 light years across. A light year is the distance it takes light to travel for 1 year in space. Our closest neighbor galaxy, Andromeda, is 2.2 million light years from Earth and is twice as large as our galaxy. A radio wave can orbit the Earth 7 times in about a second, and if sent to Andromeda, it would take 4,400,000 years to receive a reply. There are millions of galaxies, and thus far we have been unable to observe an end to space. If our solar system were placed in any other part of our galaxy, our planet would be shredded. There is only one planet in our solar system the right distance from the Sun to host liquid water. The tilt of the Earth is incredibly critical to moderate weather extremes and to life itself. If we were without our moon, or it was in a slightly different placement, all hell would break loose. Earth has 26 different atmospheric layers, each contributing to some aspect of the support of life. We're shielded from space debris by Earth's incredible magnetic field. The larger planets in our solar system produce gravitational pull that draws comets and asteroids away from us. If we combine these life support factors to assess probability, being in the right kind of galaxy, the right place in our galaxy, having the right kind of star for our sun, being the right distance from that star, and having the proper planetary mass, spin and tilt, having comet-sweeping planets, not being near a black hole, having a large solitary moon, and possessing a magnetic field capable of shielding. There's a 1 in 150 with 16 zeros chance for life. This excludes the probabilities for the emergence of DNA and the mind-blowing complexity of chemical balances in the atom and the elements. I find all of this incredible.